Have you ever wondered how Gmail knows which email is spam? Or how your phone recognizes your face? Or how Netflix knows what you want to watch next? All of this is possible because of supervised learning. Welcome back to the channel. I'm from Corporate Connection, and in this video I'll explain supervised learning from absolute scratch using simple language, real life examples and clear diagrams. No maths fear, no coding stress, just pure understanding. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know how machines learn with a teacher. So let's begin. What is supervised learning? Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where we teach machines using labeled data. Think of it like learning in school. A teacher gives you a question and also gives you the correct answer. Similarly, in supervised learning, the algorithm receives the input data. Every input has a known output called a label. The model learns patterns and then predicts answers for new data. So we have input and then we have label, learning phase, prediction phase. Because correct answers are already provided, learning becomes faster and more accurate. Learning from labeled data. The heart of supervised learning is labeled data. Let's understand this step by step. Collect data. First, we collect examples with known outcomes. Second step, label everything. Each example is tagged with the correct answer. The third step is train the model. The algorithm studies the labels and learns patterns. The final and the foremost step is make predictions. Finally, it applies this learning to new unseen data. Without labels, supervised learning simply cannot exist. Classification and regression. Supervised learning is mainly divided into two types: classification and regression. Both learn from labeled data, but the type of output is different. Sorting into categories. Classification is used when the output is a category or class. We can take examples like email, spam or not spam, and then we can take image, be it cats or dogs, and then even patient, healthy or sick. The algorithm learns to identify the discrete groups. Classification outputs are binary, that is yes or no, or it can also be multi-class like apple, orange, banana. The output is always a label and never a number. Always remember. Predicting numbers on a scale. Regression is used when the output is a number. Here, the model predicts continuous values. Let us have a look at the diagram given here. The line passing through the data points. The algorithm finds the relationships between the variables and draws a line or a curve to predict the future values. Some of the solid examples of this regression could be the house price, temperature, and even the stock value. Regression is heavily used in forecasting and estimation as well. The training flow diagram. Let's understand how training actually works. We have input training data where we feed the labeled examples. Algorithm learns. The algorithm finds patterns. Model predicts, it makes predictions. The final step is evaluate results. We check accuracy. The most important rule here is the more quality data you provide, the better the model performs. Supervised learning powers most of the AI applications we use daily. Some of the solid examples of these real world use cases could be spam detection, face recognition, stock prediction, disease diagnosis, self driving cars, and finally the product recommendations. Behind every smart system, supervised learning is working silently. Supervised learning matters because it powers modern AI, it is beginner friendly, and it gives proven and accurate results. That's why it is the first and most important concept in machine learning. So, this is why exactly supervised learning matters the most to us. So, congratulations, you now understand supervised learning from scratch. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, we'll explore hands on supervised learning and unsupervised learning as well, along with clustering with real examples. So keep learning and keep growing. This is Corporate Connection. Before I sign off, we forgot our drill. Quiz. It's time for some quiz questions. So the first question is spam detection classification or regression? Your options are classification and regression. This is the first question out of 5 questions. The second one is house price prediction, classification or regression. The options are classification and regression. Third, what is the most important requirement for supervised learning? Label data, lots of data, fast computers, or neural networks. So pick a choice. The next question, which algorithm is best suited for sentiment analysis? Naive Bayes, support vector machine, k-means, linear regression. And then we have the last and final question, which is what is the main advantage of using ensemble methods in machine learning? Improved accuracy, faster training, lower memory usage, and then the final one is simpler models. The fourth and the fifth questions are bonus questions. Answer them and get your hands on some exciting goodies. So answer all these 5 questions and email your answers to contentcorporateconnection@gmail.com. Drop your answers by email and I will personally read them. The subject of the mail should be supervised hands-on quiz. Do not forget to include your name, college, and all the answers, the 5 answers. Do not forget that the top answers will be featured in the next video, and free AI toolkit and free AI training course will be offered at an absolutely no cost to you. It is absolutely free. It is completely sponsored by Corporate Connection. Get your hands on this premium exclusive opportunity which not every day you wake up to. So keep learning, keep growing. This is Corporate Connection signing off. Do not forget to subscribe.